I'm Tom from DIY Life Tech, and this is a look at my Wagner's Deluxe Blend of Wild Bird Seed. So my first impression when I got this is it's a lot bigger than I thought it was when I purchased it. It's actually 10 pounds of bird seed. So you can see if I hold this up, it's hefty. It's quite a lot of bird seed, which is awesome. So I think this will last a long time in my feeder. And a nice feature is you cut along the top, and then there's actually a Velcro closure. So it's really easy to close this and fill your feeder a little bit at a time, because you probably don't have a feeder that can accommodate 10 pounds of seed. It'll work in all different kinds of feeders, so tube, popper, or tray feeders. And it talks about some of the birds you can attract here. I find I get a lot of finches, chickadees, a couple of jays, not so many, but definitely a lot of those smaller birds. There's a lot of those. You take a look at the blend here. It's black oil sunflower, sunflower seeds, safflower seeds. We've got a variety of different kinds and sizes here, and I think that's really helpful because it does, for me, attract a good number of different types of birds. So let's go ahead and open it up and put some in the bird feeder and see if we get any takers. So opening is easy. You can cut along the top, or you can just tear. There's a little notch on the edge, so I just tear this open. And there's our seed. Nice high quality. You can see a lot of different sizes and varieties for different kinds of birds. All right, here's my empty feeder. I'm gonna grab it and fill it. All right, so let's just pour that Wagner seed right in. Feeder's nice and full. Let's hang it up. Okay, that's looking nice and enticing, filled with seed again. Now, in the meanwhile, let's while we wait for our birds to come, let's close this up. Again, that nice Velcro closure makes this so easy to close, and then it's not gonna spill out when I put it in my pantry to store it. Easy to do that multiple times over. Just push this together, make sure it's totally sealed, and we're good to go. Okay, we've got some takers. Looks like a little chickadee on there, enjoying the food. You can see this is definitely bringing the birds out. We've got another one hanging out up here waiting their turn. Really good ability to bring out the birds, and they seem to really enjoy the seed here. So I think this is a great blend and a great option for wild birds.